I'm Habiba, and today I'm with my sister Hala.
He looks great, just like this.
And today we're going to make a cake with the gas maker. So we have 3 rules for the gas maker. For the gas makers. The first rule is you have to bring this container. If it is bigger, smaller, you cannot do anything with it. So you have to bring the gas maker container only. The next rule is written on the container, don't swallow it. So we cannot get it or, And so we'll get started. So first, you have your slime. I'll show you it. This is the gas maker. It's a little bit slimy. Mine is gold. Her is green one. تعال.
I made a face for my robot that lives up so I can
Gas maker, as you can see, it's dusty. Oh!
Painting on plastic can be tricky.
So let's get started.
I made my own paint that
So first you get the container. First you have to do this. You want the cake, let's all do it. Show as it makes it long.
Don't worry if you miss some of
First
this.
you have to do like
It's all
this.
on our website, artsuka.com.
It will get longer and long, so touch this.
And now
So we just have to do like
our
this.
Artsuka safety net.
My sister will a little bit more after it. And I will tell you why it's named Gas Maker. I will show you, and it's something so bad.
Remember, when disguising yourself to
See,
dark animals, be careful which disguise
going
you
down. All I have to do is just hold it. There. Getting thinner. As you can see, it's touching the hole of it.
For my Artsuka Recycle Challenge, I challenged myself to make something out of a pencil case, a black wallet, and a sweater shape.
See it?
Now, I didn't know what this was.
How
Mom gave it
will
to me.
you?
Use it to shave the fuzzies off your sweater. I put these into
Now,
a movie
I will show
star.
you why it's called a gas maker.
I also put something else in my movie. A zipper. See if you can spot where I put it. Now, sit back and enjoy Cinema Artsuka. Here's the pencil case. Here's the wallet. And here's the sweater shape.
So, first reason, because
Now let's watch the movie.
yeah, a bit. Sorry, I'm so sorry that I missed this, which I have to do it. Wait, I gotta go bring my container. So, what? I have a good idea. The first reason because it makes it's a slime, and the second reason في كوباية تحت عايزاك تجيبها لي.
ايه؟
الكوباية بتاعتي عايزاك تجيبها لي اللي
هتطلع كل ده عمال يطلع كده.
أنا عارفة.
هنزله على اليوتيوب.
أيوة عادي. من الناحية التانية لو تقدر. One minute. ده مش حاجة.
Did you like the movie?
Oh my god, she farted.
Sweater sheet. A black
Messi.
wallet. And here's the pencil case.
What the smell is that? She farted.
You spot the zipper. Take another look.
تسمعي كنا قلت ايه؟
Here's a challenge.
Oh, she is a nanny now. Look, she is bringing it.
Be creative. Anything goes. And when you do, take a picture and email it to me at the Artzuka website. Artzuka.com. What will you
Oh my
write?
god, she made a big fart now. Yeah.
مع مين؟
والله العظيم انا منزل كل ده على اليوتيوب. نعم.
قولي لي مع مين؟
هنزله على اليوتيوب وهو لسه بيحاول.
هيبقى مين؟
يلا على اليوتيوب.